Hello guys. So today I wanted to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and go about getting the MSC photos. So I already did come from my vacation from MSC cruise, was amazing. And they do take several photos and they take professional photos as well. And you're able to actually buy digital photos. They do have packages available. I did purchase the digitals where all of them, I get them all in digital when you go ahead and go on board, right? They once you have your card, they actually do give you a sticker that has their website, as you guys are able to go ahead and see. It's on here, mymscphotos.com. So once you guys are able to go ahead and have that, what the day before you guys get off the ship, right? What happens is they go ahead and actually take off the watermarks because those days that you guys are there while you are getting and choosing your photos, they are watermarked on the little screens that you guys are able to see. Now, the day before we get off of the ship, they go ahead and go on there and remove those watermarks so you guys are able to actually go on the site and be able to download. It does stay 30 days on site, as I was told. They do say you will have to go ahead and download them. If not after 30 days, they will disappear or they will be erased as well. And also, once you go ahead and they activate it for you, it should take about 2 days or so to be able to go ahead and download. So today we're going to go ahead and walk it through and see how it looks and all of that to make sure that we kind of know how to go ahead and go about with the MSC photos. All right. So as you guys are able to see, like I said, we went into the website, which was www.mymscphotos.com. Again, it is they do give you the little sticker to go ahead and have that on there. And then as you guys are able to see, this is the site. If you guys go ahead and click on view photos, then you're gonna go ahead and put your photo card ID as well as the ship that you guys were in. So as well, when you guys are there, they do let you know that the number to go ahead and put it, it would be the one on the bottom to go ahead and plug those in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well as the ship. All right. If you're not sure what the name of the ship was for whatever reason, it is on your card as well. All right. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to momentarily pause this so like that I can go ahead and add those numbers on here. Well, after I went ahead and added the internet ID on here, as you guys are able to see, it says image is not available yet until after November 30th, meaning that actually it has to be more than a few days. Apparently, when I was there, they did tell me it would take after 2 days. But if it's after the 30th, that actually is about 4 to 5 days from the last day of the the last day that we are on the ship. So I guess we'll go ahead and come back and we'll go ahead and go from there as well. All right, we'll see you in a bit. So once you guys get approved, and it's been already a few days since I gave it, it's gonna ask you for this information: year of birth, which is the four digits. You guys can click right here. Needs to get the year of the birth, right? Your email, password, and confirm password. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this out, and I will be right with you guys. All right, so once that is spelled out, we are going to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. It's up to you if you guys want to go ahead and do the newsletter. As for me, I do not. So we're going to go ahead and do continue. Okay. It's going to give this information to you. So I still want to go ahead and go to view my photos. And all the photos should be on there as well. So all the photos you printed out, you guys have all your photos, favorites, purchased, MSC that you guys are able to go ahead and do as well. So we personally have the MSC pictures that we are able to utilize, which is awesome. That can go ahead and be some content if you wish to do so. We have all the photos that we have done throughout the time frame. So any photos from the beginning to the end, guys. And I personally recommend to go ahead and take extra attire to take several pictures throughout this time because there is no limit to how many photos you are able to go ahead and take as well. So as you guys can go ahead and see, you guys are able to download all of these as well. So if I go ahead and click download, you are able to click which ones you are wanting to go ahead and do. If I want to go ahead and select all of them, in this case, as you can see, it looks like I have 444, which is awesome. I can go ahead and do that and go ahead and go to continue. It's going to go ahead and tell you right here, enter your email, and we'll send you a download link within the 2 hours. I'm going to put my email on there, request download, and this is going to be able to be downloaded to your computer after they go ahead and give you this information. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can go ahead and give it the 2 hours. I'll go ahead and go into my email, and I'll be able to show you how that looks as well. Meanwhile that you are doing that, what you can go ahead and do also, as you can see, it says we're preparing your photos for download. You will receive an email within a download link within 2 hours. I want to go ahead and go to back to photos. You guys are able to go ahead and look through your photos. You can download them as well if you wish to do so individually. So for example, if I really like this photo, if you want one photo or if you want all of them, it's still going to require you to go ahead and wait those 2 hours. So personally, I would recommend to go ahead and download all of them. So like that, you don't have to be going in here back and forth, having to go ahead and do this several times. Well, it also looks like you can actually download these to yourself. For example, let's just say I wanted to go ahead and take a picture. I wanted this image, right? If you guys are able to click right here, you see this magnifying glass. If I click on it, what will happen is that you guys are able to right click and actually be able to download the image. Let's see if we're able to show you really quick. Save image as, and it should be, let's see, me. All right, and it should be on there. So this can actually work doing that if you guys are able to right click into them. If you want specific ones now, if you want like all of them, then I would suggest you guys are able to go ahead and select all of them and download so you can go ahead and get that link. If you just want like a particular one, I would recommend, like I said, click this and be able to download. Now remember, these are up for 30 days. After that, they will be erased. So again, I would recommend to download all of them so you can have them as well for you in the future. So it did take only about a few minutes. Didn't take me the 2 hours to go ahead and get the download. So actually I got two. The first one is kind of welcoming me into the MSC. And it actually states here, please know that your photos will be available for viewing, ordering, and downloading for 30 days from when you claim them. So apparently maybe when you go ahead and go in there and make the account, it does take 30 days. Not quite sure. I was thinking just 30 days from when you actually go ahead and have these photos, right? Or make the account. But I'm not sure. You can always double check with MSC, but I'm just going off this. But as for me, I would really want them ASAP. It also says after 30 days, they will no longer be available. So please make sure to visit the site again and view your photos. So like I had said, I downloaded mine, all of them, to make sure I had them just in case. I would always want to have all my photos at all times. So this was the first one after I created the account. If I go ahead and go back, I can go ahead and see this one right here, which is telling me that your photo download is ready. So again, this did take maybe 20 minutes or so. It didn't take the 2 hours. I'm guessing it's just giving you the 2-hour window just in case several people are kind of doing this at the same time. It tells me to go ahead and go into the MSC photo site, which we had previously done, sign in. We're going to go ahead and it's telling me the instructions on what to do. And it says your photos, you may download your photos as many times as you like for 45 days from the day of purchase. So purchase date, again, not sure if that's when I actually physically purchase them or when I actually download them. I would rather be safe than sorry on this as well. So let's just go ahead and do this. Go ahead and open another site. So like that, I'm able to go ahead and go back and forth to make sure I have the right instructions to go ahead and do this. We want to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so sign in with email, sign in, because remember, it also, I created an account already. Or again, you can go ahead and do it with the card, but I would rather have it with, it says sign in with your email and password. Okay, on the account page, click downloads. All right, so let's go back. All right, so we're gonna go to account. All right, here we go, down, and download. So it has all the photos on here. Okay, so it's telling me it contains 28 files. Okay, so I guess I have to download individually. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I went ahead and download these. They are being downloaded, as you guys can see right here. And well, these are in a zip drive. So we'll go ahead and be able to go ahead and do in a zip. Let's go ahead and give it a few minutes and see how these look. All right, so I went ahead and download these. They are being downloaded, as you guys can see right here. And well, these are in a zip drive. So we'll go ahead and be able to go ahead and do in a zip. Let's go ahead and give it a few minutes and see how these look. All right, so it looks like I have some already. So let's go ahead and open them. And as you guys can see, it looks like I am able to go ahead and download these photos. If I go ahead and click the images on here. Yep, they're right there. Okay, and as you can see, there are several. Okay, and I even have the where MSC is giving me permission that I have the rights to the photographs as well, so like that I can be able to download them or print them out anywhere as well. All right, guys, so hopefully this gives you a better idea on how to go ahead and go about making an account, going through the process, and be able to go ahead and download those images for you from MSC as well. All right, guys, thank you, and hope to see you in my next training.